Hello, London Wildman here. So we're finally at the cottage. It's Saturday, the day before the Midhurst trail ride. So John O there is getting his stuff on. We got the bikes sit here. They're unloaded, so we're at the cottage. So if you noticed, if you watched the last video, I showed you on Google Maps where the cottage was. So right now we're going to try to follow the hydro lines to the Swift Rapids Road. I understand that there is a trail there. And then once we get to the Swift Rapid Road, we're going to rip down the Swift Rapid Road. So this video is going to be about us trying to get there. And so we're going to get on our bikes in a couple minutes. Stay tuned.
Okay guys, whoa, rocks! Here we are. So we found the trail that leads to the Swift Rapids. Oh, someone made a bridge, nice. So this is where we are. Trying not to get really muddy because I got a trail ride tomorrow and I don't think they want us to bring 40 pounds of mud into the Midhurst area. So anyway, so never been on this trail before, but super pumped. Look at that, right? See that pond? It's pretty cool, eh? Oh, I thought I saw something. I swear I saw the Sasquatch over there. Probably not, right? Oh, these metal bridges are slippery. Oh, where are we gonna go here? That's a pretty sweet trail. I don't mind these ATV trails. We'll see if we can get up this. I haven't done much rock riding, if ever. Like, you know, those like rock, small cliffs and those things, you know, you have to jump off of some, things like that. So, a little bit new to that. I'm going to check my GPS here to make sure all is good. Well,
Nice.
That's kind of cool so far, eh?
Yeah.
There's some rock spots you have to climb up and lots of... Yeah, it's pretty rugged, yeah. Never been on this trail. I like it.
Where it goes?
Oh, I know where it goes, but I like these ATV trails. I mean, they're always a little more rugged. Not free-flowing like the single-track stuff.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to keep going here. Alright guys, so we made it through the trail and we're going to be coming up on Swift Rapids Road in a minute. So the trail was actually pretty cool. It was a full ATV trail. There was a couple bridges, but some of them were kind of broken, so you have to go around. Some mud holes. We got stuck pretty good and got tired out. But we're back on the road now so we can relax a little bit. And we're coming up to Swift Rapids, and then we'll decide what we're going to do. We'll decide if we're going to go down Swift Rapids Road or head across the dam and go down a similar hydro trail on the other side. We should be up there. There it is. I was starting to think there for a second, have we taken the wrong way? But it's right here, ladies and gentlemen. Swift Rapids Trail, I believe. Hey guys.
How are you?
Good. Am I on the right way to the Swift?
Yeah, that's it right down there.
Awesome.
That's the dam there.
Yeah. Cool. Thanks. Okay, this way to the Swift. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Hey, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay. It's okay. It's all right, doggy. Oh yeah, gentlemen, this is amazing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes. And we're gonna stop right here. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at the Swift Rapids. Holy! What do you think, John?
Great.
Alright guys, I'm gonna shut this off because we're gonna decide what we're gonna do.
Look at this.